Good morning. Let's see. April 26th. I guess that makes 26 days consecutive that I've taken a bike ride. I didn't do a video yesterday. Sorry about that. Looking forward to the end of doing daily videos. But anyway, news. It's official. A run is going to be taken at updating the city bicycle laws, so that as far to the right as practicable goes away, and as far to the right as deemed safe by the rider or something like that comes in, so that we can get rid of, or start to get rid of, the perception that bikes are to be ridden as far to the right as possible, because that ain't true. For my birthday, I made an appointment at Orthopedic Institute, and this morning, that's where I'm riding to and from. I have been given a gift of arthritis in my right knee, so happy birthday. I am old. And then I think there was, 30 days of biking. Sunday, Faywick Park, 3 o'clock. All you Sioux Falls 30 days of bikers, guys, women, there's a ride departing from Faywick at 3 Sunday. So come out and have a fun ride. That's probably all. See you tomorrow.